Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I organized my freezer. My freezer has gone through a lot because I'm constantly finding ways to properly organize it so that it fits my current lifestyle. So with that said, I finally decided to focus on it and find a great solution for my freezer. I have needed to be extremely strategic when it comes into bringing stuff into that space because of its size. The style of fridge that I have is a wing fridge. That means the freezer is on the left and the fridge is on the right, therefore creating a wing. I don't know if that's like a technical term, but I don't know if I just made that up. But even though it is a wing fridge, my freezer is narrow. To make it the way that I needed it to be, I incorporated some organizing products and I'm super happy with the outcome. Best of all, it does have zones now. So every section in the freezer is designated to something or for something. Each time I go into my fridge, I know exactly what needs to be replaced. I know the exact amount of stuff I have, and I'm just super excited with the outcome. I hope you like this video. I hope this video inspires you to dedicate some time to organize your freezer. So with that said, let's get right into the video. And here is my freezer. Okay, let's start at the top. In this section is where I put all of my frozen fruit, as you can see. To contain them, I keep them in this metal basket, which was purchased from Walmart. Good old Walmart. Because of its size, I'm able to only keep a certain amount of fruit in here. So whenever it is empty, I know it's time to purchase some more. I also added a gift tag to complete the look. Under that is the first shelf, and this is where I keep all of my meat substitutes. I love my meat substitutes, so I created a space that was designated for all of them. To contain them, I added this amazing clear stackable plastic storage bin that I found at the Container Store, of course, to categorize all of my meat and make them easily accessible, and most importantly, put them in categories. Because of these categories, I am able to know what needs to be replaced and what I have. I did also add a label to the bin so it's easy to find anything I need. This is how the clear bin looks. It does have wheels on the bottom, which helps it pull out easily. It's kind of like a toy. Okay, it's not a toy. Side note, if you haven't tried Beyond Meat, especially to the meat eaters, you need to try it. It's good stuff, I promise. So below that is the smoothie kits and sauce area. As the vegan meats, I've added the same clear bins to this shelf, but I use the smaller ones and they work the same. I have my smoothie kit on the left side, and this is where I have all of my fruits sectioned out and ready to be blended. I separate them out and place them in Ziploc bags for easy accessibility. This has cut my smoothie making time in half. And yes, I do reuse these bags. To the right is where I keep all of my sauces. Whether I make them or buy them, all sauces sit in here. As you can see, it's pretty empty, so that means it's time to refill and go shopping. I cannot tell you how beneficial it is to create zones, especially for the most frequently used items. Under that is the top drawer, and this is where everything seafood sits. This is my boyfriend's drawer, and he loves seafood, and I wanted to dedicate a drawer for him that were all things seafood. Now he has a place in the freezer that's 100% all his. I also added a label to this section so that he never forgets where his seafood is. Under that is the frozen fries section. French fries are one of my favorite guilty pleasures, so it's always in the freezer, and we typically have different kinds, so it had to have its own section. Fun fact, to fry these, we actually use an air fryer. This air fryer has changed our lives, and I cannot stop telling people about it. It's so amazing. In the last bottom drawer is where we keep all of our frozen veggies. Because this is the largest drawer out of the two, and we eat a lot of veggies, dedicating a drawer to it was a no-brainer. Again, having these zones has really changed the way our fridge functions and has substantially improved the way we shop for groceries. So now let's go on to the doors. So because the items on the doors usually change, I don't label them. When we do have ice cream, this is where they usually sit. Because I don't like my ice cream too cold, I like to keep them on the door rather than inside the freezer. This prevents me from having to let it sit or thaw it out before I eat it. And if you haven't tried these ice creams, you should go out now and try it. This is the best tasting non-dairy ice cream I've tasted thus far. And if you know of any at all, let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, last but not least, under all this is where we have our cauliflower. This section changes all the time. Because we're trying out this new frozen cauliflower, we just put this on the freezer door just for easy accessibility. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing in my freezer to keep it organized because it has really transformed the way my freezer functions. I'll see you soon. Bye.